Hi everyone, my name is Ryan. Welcome to Math with RG. Today we're focusing on inequalities for pre-algebra. Let's dive into it. All right, so what is an inequality? So we got all the symbols here, so we're going to go over each one. So that very first one on the left, this one that I'm talking about right here, you can see how if you look at it left to right, the mouth is open. So that means greater than. If you look at it for the next one, if you look at it left to right again, you can see that the point is on the left side. So that is less than. All right, the very next symbol, we've got the greater than or equal to. So this one right here, greater than or equal to. That line underneath means equal to. And then the next one after that is the less than or equal to. All right, now I just wanted to draw on the right-hand side here what an equal sign looks like. That's for equations, but today we're just doing inequalities. Okay, so the first one now, the first example we're going to look at right here. Now, if you read this left to right, which most of us do, it says 137 greater than x. But I highly recommend that you always read it from the variable. So if they write it backwards like this, just read it from the variable. That's still okay for math. So we have x and then the pointy part, so that's less than 137. All right, the next one on the right-hand side here, it says x and then the open mouth, so that's greater than 14. All right, so what do these mean, right? So let's go back to the first one. It says x is less than 137. That literally means that the answer can be any number that is less than 137. So starting with 136.999999, right? All the way down to all the negative numbers, right? Because it literally means anything less than 137. All right, the next one, x is greater than 14. That literally means any number that is greater than 14. So 14.1 and so forth. Okay, so now we're down here. We have x, right? We read it left to right, or sorry, from the variable. In this case, it happens to be left to right. Then the mouth open, so that's greater than, but then there's a line at the bottom, so that means equal to. So x is greater than or equal to 3. So that literally means the answer could be 3 or any number above 3. And then our very last one is x is less than or equal to 7. Right, so x and then the pointy part, so that means less than. And then the line at the bottom, so equal to, so less than or equal to 7. So that literally means that the answer could be any number that is 7 or less than 7. All right, that's today's lesson. Check out my next video for more inequality work. Great job on finishing today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, tell your friends and family. And if you want to dive deeper into chapter test work, you can check out my school platform, skool.com. The link will be in the bio below. And if you want more information on one-on-one tutoring, you can check out my website, rgtutors.com. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.